Leanne Cusumano Roque, certified Iyengar yoga teacher at Yoga for All Bodies in Western Virginia in the United States. This is a modified version of Surya Namaskar, Sun Salutations. It weaves in Virabhadrasana I, Warrior One, and puts the knees on the floor. It also steps. Start in Tadasana, mountain pose, either with the feet together or the feet hip width apart. Bring the palms in front of the chest. Namaskar. Inhale, lift the arms to Virabhadrasana, upward hands. Exhale, hinge at the hip creases into ardha. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring the hands to the floor. Inhale and exhale, step the right leg back and then the left into downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Come onto the fingertips of the right hand, step the right leg forward. We're transitioning to Virabhadrasana I. If you want, put the hands on the knees first, on the front knee first, otherwise lift the arms and lift the body for Virabhadrasana I. Exhale, bring the hands back to the mat, turn the back foot forward, step the front foot to the back foot, back to downward facing dog. And come into plank. Now, push the knees back towards the wall behind you to bring them towards the mat. Look forward and bend the elbows straight back for Chaturanga Dandasana. Then straighten the arms, then come into upward facing dog. You can either stay on the bottoms of the toes or turn on to the tops of the feet. Bring the chest forward, shoulders back, upward facing dog. And then either bring the knees down, turn the toes under, or simply flip the toes. Draw back from the groins for downward facing dog. Now the other side of Virabhadrasana I, come onto the fingertips of the left hand, step the left leg forward. Like I said, you can bring the hands to the knee and then come upright, then lift the arms or do it all in one motion. And on an exhale, take the hands back down, turn the back foot forward, step the front foot to the back foot for downward facing dog. And since we started on the right, step the right foot forward and then the left for Uttanasana. Then reach the arms forward and up to come up. Virabhadrasana, upward hands, then palms in front of the chest. And repeat on the left. Inhale, lift the arms. Exhale, hinge at the hip creases. Inhale, exhale. Step back with the left foot and then the right, downward facing dog. Step the left foot forward, Virabhadrasana I. Exhale, hands down, step back to downward facing dog. Plank, knees down, look forward, chaturanga, and then upward facing dog, Ardha Mukha Svanasana, and then draw the groins back for downward facing dog. Do the other side of Virabhadrasana I, and then hands down, turn the back foot forward, step back. For downward facing dog, we started on the left, so step left then right, Uttanasana, and then reach forward and up, and hands in front of the chest. Repeat as many rounds as you like. On even days, start with the right foot. On odd days, start with the left foot, so that you create balance between the two sides of the body.